Hey, what's up? I'm Russ, and this is Dapper Dividends. We just got back from the Indianapolis 500. Fantastic time. We stayed by my friend's aunt's house, who is local, so we got to play local for a few days down in Indianapolis. I had a few thoughts from the racetrack, from the race today, that tie into investing and dividends, and I'd love to share those with you. But first, that's right, my face is sunburned. I didn't wear a hat. Note to self, bring a hat. We decided to take a walk around the track, check out some of the atmosphere, people watch, and we found ourselves on pit row. If you don't know, pit row is where the race cars pull in, they swap out the tires in a matter of seconds, give it some gas, and then they take right off again. I thought this is really kind of like us as dividend investors, where we're standing around patiently waiting, sometimes impatiently waiting for our dividends to come in. They come in, we reinvest them, and then they take off into the market once more, and then we have to stand around waiting another 90 days, and in some cases 30 days, like with realty income. And as Warren Buffett is famous for saying, that most people will not become rich or wealthy because they want to get rich fast. They don't want to get rich slow. They don't have the behavior, the proper behavior of patience. We need to be patient over many decades to become wealthy, just as Warren Buffett made the bulk of his wealth after his 50th birthday, and even I think 97% of it was made after his 65th birthday. Secondly, what caught my eye was the stack of race tires, that they do not look like the tires on our cars, predominantly because they have no tread on them. If somebody from the pit crew tried to give you advice on replacing those tires, it wouldn't work because they're playing a different game. Those aren't the kind of tires, I hope not, that we have on our personal vehicles. What this made me think is that they are playing a different game than we are. Make sure when you get advice from somebody in the market that it's for the game you're playing. Now, we invest in companies that are paying dividends that are growing and they're largely predictable. One day we hope to live off of the dividends or live off of the interest and never have to touch the principal, meaning we never have to sell the stocks and we just live off those dividends, where people that may be investing in ETFs, they want an average market return, they want it to be largely hands-off, mostly risk-free, and then one day they'll just have to unwind and sell the principal in order to get money. So we must be patient, and we must make sure that whenever we take any kind of advice from anybody, that it is for the game that we're playing and not the game that they're playing. We're going to watch a movie with the kids. Follow me on Twitter at RustyRam78. If you were helped at any point, ring that bell. Leave a comment below. We'd love to talk to you. And speaking of patience, check out this video on AT&T's price prediction, and I will see you there.